Hello Scorpios, welcome to my channel Dream Tarot. Hope you are doing good. This is your December month reading, and this will be a guidance message and a romance angel oracle message about your love life. And this will be mm a general reading. It may resonate you or may not. Please take those messages. What resonates you, leave the rest. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. So let's start your reading. Your first card is honeymoon. Enjoy the bliss of holiday and holiday time together. This can be a time where you can enjoy the honeymoon period with your person, whether it's an old relationship, whether it's a um, new relationship. This is a time where you are just enjoying the time together, or maybe if you try, you can enjoy your time together with your person. Let your friends help you. Ask for and accept support from others. If you want to enjoy this honeymoon period, maybe for some of you it can be a situation where you want to enter in a new love relationship, or it's a situation where you are in a no talking situation with your partner. So if you want to have this honeymoon period, or universe is advising you that this is the time you can enjoy the honeymoon period with your person, so you have to enjoy for this. If you if you need to take support from your friends, family, siblings, so you have to take this help, so that your love life can start again with this honeymoon period, whether it's a old relationship, whether it's a breakup situation, whether it's a new relationship. So if your friends and family want to support you to start your love life again, so you have to let them do this. You take their support. So pay attention to the red flag. The signs are cautioning you. If this is a breakup situation, so you have to pay attention to the red flags. So if you let this breakup situation long, if you let this breakup situation go long, so this will be a red flag. So you need to pay attention there. If you are not talking to this person, you need to talk. You should take support from your friends to help you arrange conversation between you and that person. So this is the advice from the universe, that if you need to take support, you can take support from your family, friends. So this will bring the joy in your life, the honeymoon period in your life again, back again. So another message is express your love. Go ahead and make the romantic gesture. So you need to start conversation by yourself. You need to express your love. um, or maybe it's like that you can take support from your friends and family, so that they can say about your care and love for that person in front of that person. So this can be indirect expression. Maybe this can be indirectly you are expressing your love and care to that person. So this can be a situation. This can be a support your friends and family can give you, or it can be a situation where you need to go express your love by yourself to in front of that person. You need to do heart to heart conversation. um, Honestly discuss your feeling with each other. Like you need to discuss your feeling with each other. If you are in a good relationship and there is no breakup situation, but there is a pause in your love life, you are not in a romantic conversation for a long time with each other, so you have to pay attention to this red flag. It can be this pause period can be long, so you need to start conversation. You need to talk heart to heart with this person, so that your honeymoon period with this person can back again. Or if it's a new relationship, you need to express your love. You need to take support of your friends and family, and you need to heart conversation with this person. Then you can have this honeymoon period with your love person, whether it's a new person. So your number message is triple 8. Infinity, the endless loop of energy. You are effortlessly going with the natural flow and rhythm of what universe has in store for you. So if you start conversation again in this time frame, universe is telling you that you will take the infinite energy loop, like universe is giving you endless support in this time frame. Whatever you will do for your love life this time, universe will support you without any restrictions and without any limited energy. You will have unlimited support from the angels also. So this will be a reading. This was your reading. If it resonates you, please let me confirm in a comment below. Like my video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.